To install the application, you have to go to the Play Store. So go to your app drawer, find the Play Store, open the Play Store, go to the search button, search option, and type Perfectice eProctor. Then click on the search icon, and now you can see the Perfectice eProctor app appears. So you can identify the logo now, and now you have to click on install. Give it some time before it installs itself. Now you can see, if you'll go to the app drawer, you'll be able to see the Perfectice eProctor icon there. Now before attempting the test or examination, you need to turn off the notification of your mobile phone for a distraction-free environment. So you have to go to the setting, then app and notifications, then notification for 9 apps, see all from last 7 days. Now it will list down all the apps that are throwing notifications frequently, and you can see notification of all these apps are turned on at this moment. So for now I'm going to turn off the notification for each and every app, so that when I'll be attempting the examination, I won't be getting any notification, and therefore I'll be not distracted from these apps. Now you can see screen recorder notification is on because I'm using this app to record this screen, and by default phone notification will be on. You cannot turn it off. So now that I'm done turning off the notification, I can go back, and now I have to grant permission to this app, Perfectice app, that I have installed recently. So I'll click and hold on this app. Now I'll click on app info, then I go to the permission, and you can see in allowed list there is no permission allowed, and denied list you have got three options. So I'm going to click on camera. I'm going to allow this, going back. Now I'm going to click on storage, allow, go back. Contacts is not required for this app to work, but just to be safe, let me give it access as well. If you'll not give the access to the contact, it will also work, but just to be safe, I have given the access of contact to this app. Now that we are done with this installation and turning off the notification, granting the required permission, now I can check the version of this app as well. So if you'll click on storage and cache, you can see there is version mentioned there, 0.3.8. So this is the current version of the app. When you will be using this app, maybe it will be updated. It may become 0.3.9 and so on. Now that we are done with the prerequisite, I can go to the app, open the app. Now I have got two options, take a test using code. So you do not need to use this ever. Please do not click on this button again. I'm repeating. And all you have to do is click on this login button. The login page will appear. Now you will get registration number and password number on your eConnect portal. So if you are a LPU student, most probably you will be having a registration number, and the password will be conveyed to you through eConnect. So keep checking your eConnect app. So I'm going to use my credential. Then I'm going to log in. And once I log in, I can see there is one test right now visible to me, that is mock test DE. Now if you are not able to see this, you can click and drag towards downward to see the refreshed list, or you can click on this hamburger menu, go to the test, and again you will land to the same page. To start the test, all you have to do is click on the name of the test, and there are some information given there regarding the test. If you want, you can read this. Click on Start Test. And there are some instructions. These instructions are for objective questions, so you do not need to read all these instructions. Try to avoid these instructions. Click on Start Test. And one more thing, the relevant instruction to deal with this kind of exam will be shared to you through eConnect, and that is the reason why I'm asking you to avoid reading this instruction given here. So Start Test. And now you can see on the top right corner I have got a reverse timer, so I can see how much time left. It is approximately 119 minutes as of now, and right now I'm at question number 1 out of 3, and this question carries a marks of 15, and there is a rectangular black box given here in the top left side. So in this black box you'll be able to see the video view of yourself through the front camera, and then you can see the questions given here. And if you'll see, the questions are given in English, then the same questions are given in Punjabi, and the same questions are given in Hindi. Now this is not necessary that you'll get all these 3 options in each and every paper. This depends upon the nature of the paper. So you might get question only in English, you might get question in Hindi and English and Punjabi as well, you might get question only in English and Punjabi. So that depends upon the nature of the examination. Now let us see what happens if you'll try to minimize this app for any reason. So if I'll try to click on home button of my phone, you can see I have come to the home screen. If I'll come back again to the app, you'll see I have got a warning that your test will be terminated after 99 warnings. Because I set 100 warnings for this test, in your case it will be very limited. So do not try to move out of the app for any reason. Even if you have to capture the image, make sure you are using this camera icon to capture the image directly from the app rather than moving out of the examination app and taking manually the picture. Do not do that. You have to always use this option only. Now if you look to this top part, you'll find that this has got 3 questions A, B, C. Question A says write a short essay on importance of internet in today's world. B, write a short essay on need of mobile phone. And C, write a short essay on education system in India. So you can solve any one of them, not all, any one of them. So either A or B or C. So let us say I decide that I have to answer part B. So for me the question number will become 1B. So at this point of time I can keep my mobile on the table in such a way that my body and my face is visible in the front camera in that rectangular black box visible here right now. And then I can keep writing on a A4 sheet in the format asked by university in a separate video. Once I'm done writing the answer, I can pick up the mobile again and I can use this camera button given at the bottom of the screen to capture the image. So I'm going to click on this camera app, and now you can see the camera is active. I can point it out to the very first page of my answer. Make sure focus is correct. Click on the capture button. Wait for it to be uploaded. You can see that uploading message is there. So depending upon internet speed, it will take some time and it will upload the picture. So the very first picture is uploaded. You can see that preview here. Now I can turn to the second page of my answer. Click on the camera app again. Take the picture of the second page. Capture the image. Give it some time to be uploaded. And now you can see the second page of my answer is also uploaded. Now I have written only 2 pages. If you have written 4 or 3 or 4, you can again click on this camera icon and you can upload the other pages as well. And you can see I have got an end of answer tag at the bottom. That means this is the last page of my answer sheet. Now for some reason, if you upload a wrong image, there is always a cross option given next to the image to delete the image. So let us say the clarity of the second image is not clear, so I can always click on this cross icon and you can see the second image is gone now. Again I can open the camera app, point it to my answer sheet, make sure the whole sheet is visible, click on capture, give it some time, and now you can see the second image has been uploaded. It seems fine to me, so I'll click on next, and it will give me a warning that please confirm the quality of image. Yes, I have confirmed that the quality is readable, and it also says that if you'll move to the next question you won't be able to come back, so that is also fine. Click OK, and now I'm on to the second question. Now let us say I want to solve part A of this question. So this has become question 2A. So again, I'll take the A4 sheet, I'll write my answer, and once I'm done writing my answer, I can again click on this capture button, point it to my answer sheet, make sure the focus is correct, click on this capture button. I'm done capturing. I'll give it some time. It will start uploading that image. Depending upon the internet speed, it may take a while. Now you can see page 1 of 4 of question number 2A is uploaded. Now I have to go to the page B, page 2. So I'll again click on the camera icon, point to the second sheet of my answer, capture the image. I'll give it some time. But now you can see the second page is also uploaded. I can again click on next to move to the next question. I'll read the warning, click on OK. And let us say this is the third question and I don't know the answer of this third question, so I can also skip. So in order to skip, I can simply click on next if it is question number 1 or 2. And if it is question number 3, there is no next button, and therefore after this question number 3 you have to click on finish button and you have to click OK. Once you'll click OK, you won't be able to come back. Now before doing that, I would like to show one more thing to you. If you click on the back key of your mobile phone, you will get a message, are you sure you want to abandon this test? So if you'll abandon, it will not be counted as a successful attempt and your whole effort will go away. So make sure you are not repeating this mistake, and even if you press the back button by mistake, make sure to click on cancel rather than OK. So I'll cancel this. Now again I'm back to the test. And let us say I don't know the answer of this one, so I can always click on finish. I'll click OK. And you can see I've got a notification your test is submitted successfully. So this is how you attempt a test.